Hello everybody, Steve here.
With Aidan, and today we're going to show you how to train your dog to use a Pride pet door with the dog Willow.
Where'd she go? There she is.
Willow, come here. Come here. Hey, girl. Hi. Hi. Are you you're tired from playing? Oh, hi. 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 Oh.
Hi. Hi. Okay,
Girl.
so the hour has come. Where?
Time for the star.
For the star.
Yeah.
So, and then we'll show. This is how you remove it. Slide it out. Look at that. Pride pet door. Okay. Okay. So let's talk to Willow. Maybe
Willow,
want to call her in? Just right there. See if she,
go, go, go.
Come through here.
She smells it. She's
She's
like,
not
but
used
I'm
to
out
it yet.
here.
She can push through. Here, let me show her. Right here, look. Look, you see it? Don't be afraid. Come. Let her smell the food. And go through. There, go. There you go.
Good job.
She's like, good. Good job, Willow. All right.
Right.
So the main thing when training your dog to allow the dog to just come through naturally as she wants to come in and out.
The other way.
Don't push her, yeah. Leave her in, yeah, there you go. Have her come out.
Come
Come, Willow.
on out. Push.
Like, let me through.
Okay. Come on, push on that. You're on the right track. Push through. Okay. No, no, no.
There you go.
She's like, but there's an alternative.
Maybe one of us on each side would be good.
Maybe.
She's good, yeah. So,
Ready? Try again. Come through here.
look, Willow, right here. Through. 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 Right there, look. Go through. Push. 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 There you go. There you go. Good girl. Can you pass me a piece of food?
Go ahead. Go.
Give me a piece of food. I'll bring it up. Willow, come. Just push it through a little bit. Willow, come. No. Shh, come on. Push through. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
She's figuring it out. And now she's like, wait, there's no motive. Where do I go?
She's wait a minute. She'll get used to it. It's just repetition, right? Anything? There she. Like that, yeah. Go. Push. Look. There you go.
Ah, she got it. She got it.
Okay.
She'll get used to it. It takes a little time.
She's like, what?
She's like, nope, don't push me. Good girl. Yeah.
So wait a minute. Let me back in.
Come on. There you go.
There you go. She's got it.
Yeah.
She's got it.
All right. It's
There
only
you
been
go.
3 minutes. Give her 15. She's gonna be running in and out.
Okay.
I think the great thing is that when you have the door like this and you're hanging out inside, and she can come out whenever she wants.
Yeah.
You know, and still keep the bugs out.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on,
Willow.
Willow.
Come, Willow.
Come on.
Come, girl.
There you go.
All on her own. Look at that. No treat or anything. That's
There
good.
you go.
She's like, okay, I want.
There you go.
Good job, Willow.
All right, ready? Try again. Up. Go. Go.
There you go. She's doing on.
She got it. Yep. Good girl. All right.
Thanks very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
That worked out. She's going to be a star. I'll email you a link to the videos and all that, or you can just see on our YouTube channel. They'll show up probably within about a week.
All
By the
right.
time we edit everything and all that.
Sure.
So appreciate it.
Better see yourself on TV.
This is a pleasure.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So I have the insert in. You want me to leave it out, or
Here, why don't you get that?
there you go.
Leave it out.
And then if you
That locks it, yeah.
locks it in place, and there you go. It's in.
Nice.
And if she wants to come out, she can. You get all the tools, buddy.
Yeah.
If you haven't already, give that video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and select alert notification if you haven't done so. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Catch you next time. See ya. Later.
Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.